Hello, everybody from the world of Social Work 200. Hey, let's take a break and look at something differently here. A lot of times we hear cute, plucky adages such as, if life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Even one that's even more interesting to me recently is this, let beauty come out of ashes. So here we are in Unit 3. You've learned a lot already. So let's try to apply what you've learned. Can you please tell me how those two phrases, if life gives you lemons, make lemonade, and the other one, let beauty come out of the ashes, tell me in everything that you've learned from a social worker's objective, how do these things apply to preserving human dignity and respecting self-determination of those we serve? Have fun with this one, and we're going to share your thoughts amongst your peers. Thank you very much.